Welcome back. This is Ken from A Driver's View. I'm going to put on a slack adjuster that went bad on my trailer. So I had to purchase a new one, and I'm replacing the old one with the new one. This might take a minute. See the new slack adjuster I just purchased? I gotta replace the old one. Goes on right there. So, here we go. The reason I'm replacing the slack adjuster is because when you can see how big that gap is. When my brake old adjuster gave loose, it loosened everything up, which showed me that slack adjuster wasn't no good. When I go to click it, it wants to make this clicking sound when you go to tighten it. It didn't make that clicking sound no more. Let me know that the slack adjuster was no more good. So I had to purchase another one. I got to replace this one. This is actually the rod part here, this piece here. I'm just replacing. I didn't have to take it off, but I'm replacing it since it's all new. I'm going to just put it on here. See how that easily went on? In order for, when you put it on, it's not going to fit in there right, but you got to adjust the little nut on the top to make it go in. That's what squeezes the brakes and spread that S. It's like an S bar in the brake system, and it spreads the brakes out to remove it. So in order for it to get lined up with this, you have to tighten this up, and it'll slide it more and more to the front of the truck. Yeah. You get the big pin. You put it, slide the big pin back in. Don't forget your little pin to put in to keep it from coming out.